Welcome to our channel. Today we how to scale search engine optimization with a SEMrush detailed guide step by step clearly. To scale search engine optimization with a SEMrush, start by creating a SEMrush account if you haven't already. Log into your SEMrush dashboard to access its powerful tools. Begin with the Keyword Overview tool to conduct keyword research. Enter relevant keywords related to your niche into the search bar. Analyze the results to identify search volume, keyword difficulty, and trends. Discover keyword variations and related questions that users are searching for. Next, utilize the SEO Content Template tool to create optimized content. Input your target keywords and let SEMrush suggest relevant topics and keywords. Review the recommended content structure and readability score. Once your content is ready, use the SEO Writing Assistant for real-time optimization. Paste your draft into the Writing Assistant to receive suggestions for improvement. Now, move to the Site Audit tool to assess your website's health. Enter your website URL and configure the settings for the audit. Analyze the report to identify technical issues that could affect your SEO performance. Prioritize fixing critical errors, such as broken links and duplicate content. Once your site is in good shape, take advantage of the Position Tracking tool. Set up a project to track your target keywords and monitor their rankings. Review the daily updates to see how your optimizations are impacting your visibility. Explore the Backlink Analytics tool to analyze your backlink profile. Identify who is linking to your site and their domain authority. Use the Link Building tool to find potential new backlinks opportunities. Research competitors' backlinks to discover additional opportunities for your own site. Now, leverage the Traffic Analytics feature to study your competitors. Analyze their traffic sources, top pages, and audience demographics. Use this data to refine your own SEO strategies and content marketing efforts. Finally, keep an eye on your progress with the Rank Tracker tool. Continuously adjust your strategies based on the insights gathered. Regularly revisit your keyword research to stay ahead of trends and changes. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.